Hey.
One more time.
Hey,
What's
stop.
up? What's up?
Stop.
Push me one more time.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
On November the 10th, 2024, at approximately 12:49 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police responded to an apartment building on Buttles Avenue on multiple calls of a large fight. They arrived to find a chaotic scene, then knocked on a door of an apartment where they could hear yelling. That is when they met a drunk white boy who wanted to be arrested and wouldn't take no for an answer.
The main guy's inside the unit right now.
Okay. Yes, you can. Well, if you're part of this going on, I need to talk to you. Huh? Okay, who is this to you? Are you part of this?
I'm not part of nothing. I just came.
Okay, well, don't go inside yet. She's part of this also. So.
I'm not part of it. Why are you trying to sit up here and accuse me
Well,
of not being part of something?
okay, because how you're talking.
How am I talking?
Okay, you're shot.
All right, if you want.
I'll try. I'm trying to.
Yeah.
There's yelling inside here.
Hey, go home, bro.
Hey.
What? What?
I'm going home.
You're going home.
Okay.
Please, please.
I'm sleeping, bro.
Hold on.
You're knocking on my
Relax,
goddamn
relax,
door.
relax.
Dude.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's
What
the-
time is it?
it's
You need to calm down.
What time is it?
Okay.
Please stop.
Hold on.
Please. No.
You need to
no,
come out.
I'm not gonna
Come
relax.
out here and talk to me.
Please,
Sir, what
please.
time is it? What time is it? Right
Doesn't
now?
matter what time
What?
it is.
Because you
Okay?
fucking
Come
woke me
here.
up, bro.
Ma'am.
I'm fucking
Ma'am.
sleeping. You woke me
Ma'am.
up.
Come here.
What time is it?
Do you mind just stepping back there?
Come over
Hey,
here.
what time is
Come
it?
here.
What time is it, you dumbass bitch?
Come
What time
here.
is it?
Babe,
What time is
stop.
it?
Stop,
almost
babe.
one.
Stand up
Yeah,
here.
fuck you, dumbass bitch. I'm sleeping, bro.
You want to be in handcuffs?
Yeah.
No,
Hey, handcuff me, bro.
Please,
Hey, bro.
stop. Stop.
This is my
Relax.
goddamn crib.
Relax.
Chill, bro.
Relax. No.
Fucking chill.
Stop.
This is my crib. This is my goddamn
Okay,
crib.
we're good.
Chill.
Please, stop.
This is my goddamn crib.
Ma'am, come here. Come here.
You just
Relax.
step out.
Come here.
Relax.
Come here before you
This is
get
my
hurt.
step out.
Okay.
Fucking
Okay.
house, bro.
Okay, we got called here.
Yeah, you're not.
Will you
You're
talk
not
to me at a
welcome
normal?
here.
Yeah, talk to me.
Yeah, bro. You're not welcome here.
Hold on. Okay.
All right. Well, we got called here because there was some arguing going on. There's obviously stuff in the yard. Okay, that's why we're here.
Okay.
So can
What's
we
up?
just talk normally?
What? I'm fucking normal. What's
Okay.
up?
Thank you.
What's
All
up?
right. So this is why we're here. I'm just telling you. We got called here. We're not here.
What's going on?
I don't honestly know. Like, he was drinking.
First of all, who is this to you?
He's my boyfriend.
Okay, he's your boyfriend. You both live here?
No, he lives here.
He lives here. You don't
Yeah.
live here.
No.
Okay.
You're the one that
Okay. So what's going on?
Basically, he just drank too much.
I can see that.
Yeah, but he didn't drive or anything. He was just at home drinking.
Did he,
Yeah.
Relax,
did he
okay?
hit you at all? Did you guys get into a fight or something? Why this is all out here?
No, hold on. We're trying to figure out what's going on.
Night, bro.
He was upset. That's what it is. I promise you. That's why I was trying to come down so he won't lay hands on you guys.
Okay. Was there any physical violence towards you tonight?
Hey, don't be trying to unlock my door, bro.
Stop, babe.
Did I try to unlock your door?
Sound like it.
No, you're wrong.
He's drunk. I'm so sorry.
watch
Yeah,
out.
he's
Dad.
very drunk.
I'm
You sure you want to
sorry.
stay here?
I'm sorry. He's
This is
drunk.
my crib.
Okay.
Babe,
Okay.
stop.
Your crib,
Please,
dude.
please, please don't
You know
lay
what?
hands on me.
Dude.
No, babe, please.
You want
You want to go in handcuffs?
Please, no,
Give me your badge number.
babe.
Give me your badge number.
Stop.
House 2856.
Stop, please.
2856, you pussy fuck.
Stop.
Bitch ass nigga.
Hey,
Do you want to go to
dude,
jail?
listen to me, okay? You're getting right. You're pushing
For what?
wrong
arrested.
direction,
Bro.
okay?
Do you wanna go to
Because
jail?
you're already out here
Please
disturbing the
stop.
peace from people
That's
all
not me.
around here,
That's not
okay?
me.
Really?
Where's your camera?
You're
here
not
'cause
the
your
one
neighbors
because your
called.
neighbors called, okay?
Where's the camera?
I don't need a
It's not
camera.
We don't need a camera.
Okay?
Alright, I got people that said it wasn't me. So what's the fuck?
I'm sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry.
You want locked
He's
down
just
your bitch ass
drunk.
face to
Stop,
bitch?
babe.
You sure you're gonna
please.
stay here with
Do
that?
you want to go to jail,
I
bro?
don't give a fuck.
I don't care. You're not laying the hands on the cops, bro.
I'm not
Relax.
this bitch ass. I'm not this bitch ass.
Stop. Relax. These are the cops.
Fuck him. Bitch ass nigga. Like,
We're gonna make sure she's okay. Okay?
Hey, she's cool, bro.
Stop, then relax.
We're not talking to you.
Relax.
I question that.
You're drunk. Stop. Go in your room.
Hey,
One more time.
Babe,
What's
stop.
up? What's up?
Stop.
Push me one more time.
come here. Come here. Come here.
Push me one more
Come here.
fucking time, bro. What's up?
You need.
Come
Are these
on,
your
just
friends
talk-
over here?
just talk to them
You
for
need
a
to go over
second.
there.
Yeah,
Go over there with
over
your
there.
friends.
I don't want him to go to jail. That's why.
Nobody's saying about going to jail, but he needs.
Oh,
Alright,
I'm
let me
about
talk to you for a second.
Okay?
Come here, talk to her, bro. Come close to my knock your bitch ass face out, bro.
Stop.
Ma'am, go
Oh
over
my
here.
God, bro, get
Listen
the
to
fuck
over
away from
here.
me. This is my
No,
crib.
because I know
Get
he's
away
gonna
from
lay
me.
his hands
Get away
on
from me, bro.
someone. Stop,
Hey.
please.
Okay.
Stop.
Alright,
Relax.
take her, bro.
Come
Take
over
her.
here.
Okay, but no, even if I take her, you
Hey,
would too.
I'm telling you one more time, if you shove her in front of us, you're about to be put in handcuffs.
Bro, this is my crib.
I don't care.
I don't care.
If you shove her one more time,
yeah.
you're about to go
I
in
understand
handcuffs.
you're
You
trying to
hear
help. I
me?
appreciate it.
Relax.
Hey, sir,
Okay?
sir,
We're trying
sir.
to keep him
You
from going to
all
jail, but
see
he's
me?
not.
Get out of my
you
crib.
talk
You
to me.
all,
Come here.
I
Go-
just
go
told you all get out of my
right
crib.
now, please.
How many times?
Please,
You heard
go.
it? And
Go.
1, 2, get out of
Okay.
my crib. Get out of my crib.
They're the cops.
4. Hey, how many times? You want your bitch ass knocked out? You want your bitch ass knocked out? What's up, bro? What's up?
You better go back inside, close the door right now. You better go right now.
Alright, watch
Close
out.
the door.
Alright.
Close the door.
Alright, see you,
Close
bitch
the
ass.
door right now.
What are you doing?
You better close the door.
Hey, I'm gonna videotape you, your bitch ass. I'm gonna get you. What's
You're
your badge
gonna
number?
end up going to jail.
What's your bitch ass number?
Okay?
What's your badge number, bitch ass? Hold on.
Who is this to you?
The only reason why.
Just a friend, or you here for her?
What's your badge number?
3525.
3525.
Stop.
You
You
bitch
wanna
ass
go
nigga.
to
Stay
Get out of
stay
here.
away.
Get out of here. Go.
Okay?
Whatever, bro. Get out of here.
You're
Right from my crib.
and it has to be. Let him be by himself inside
Go.
for a little bit.
Yeah, you need, yeah.
It's fine.
I'm not in your crib, so go away.
Hey, you're right here.
Okay?
Go.
I'm
Go.
allowed to be here.
Oh, there you are.
Yes. Now get back inside.
You get
back inside.
You get away from me.
Okay?
What am I doing?
Huh?
What am I doing?
You were causing a problem.
You're
Is what
causing
you're
a problem.
doing,
Get
okay?
the fuck out of here, bitch ass
Hey.
nigga. What's
Alright,
up?
dude, if you don't go inside, you're about to be put in handcuffs for
What are you
disorderly
doing?
conduct.
You're at my fucking crib, bro. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Go.
Bro, hey, who called the cops?
So you're yelling right now, causing an annoyance and alarm.
Because you're fucking here, you bitch ass nigga. What's up?
Turn around, go inside, close the door. We'll talk to her,
Alright,
and then
bet,
we'll
bet.
leave.
See ya, bitch ass
How's
nigga.
that?
See ya.
Go.
Bitch ass nigga.
Wow.
Pussy fuck. Pussy fuck.
Close the door.
What you gonna do, bro? You bitch ass nigga.
I don't really think it's funny because we're out here for you.
No, because.
Oh.
So do you think, are you
No,
hurt?
I'm okay. He didn't do nothing. He didn't do anything.
Okay. Well, we got called from your neighbors.
I know.
Okay. Saying that stuff is being thrown out here. You guys are yelling and screaming. Okay. Your neighbors are trying to sleep. There's a lot going on.
I know. I'm
You guys have
sorry.
obviously had a lot to drink tonight. Okay. I recommend you let him be on his own. I don't recommend you staying with him because he's obviously physically and verbally aggressive. So take that for what it is. He needs to be by himself and kind of just sober up.
Yeah, that's what it is.
We obviously don't want things to escalate because right now he has no respect for us, no respect for you. He's shoving you. So
Right.
are you?
Has there been past violence between you two?
Who is he to you though?
If there's a boyfriend.
You threw your phone right there? Don't go put it at you, girl. Just move.
He did drop it in the ground.
Who is he to
Drop
you?
that phone.
Huh?
Who is he to you?
My boyfriend.
You guys married? Have any kids?
No.
Okay.
And you don't live here, right?
No.
Any physical violence take place?
Huh?
Yo, why you so close to my crib? Get the fuck away.
Right in by your crib. Go inside.
Call the real cops, bro. You pussy ass nigga. Call the real cops. Call him. Call him. Call him.
You guys able to leave?
Call him.
What's the
Get
plan
fuck
for
outta here.
tonight? Because he's getting
Call him.
amped up because we're all
Call
sitting
him.
here.
Call him,
So
bitch. Call him.
if you can just
Call him, bro. Get the
Sorry.
fuck out of here. Call him. 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 Call him.
Can you guys convince him to leave? Can you guys convince her to go with you?
You're
Yeah.
a pussy.
Just
You're a
run.
fucking
I
pussy.
appreciate it.
Yeah, call him,
shoes
bitch
on.
ass nigga. Call him. Call him.
Let's go.
Call
You're
him.
going home.
Call him. Call him. Call him.
You know
Call
that.
him.
Just
Call
get
him.
you are.
Just get all your stuff. Bitch ass
Girl,
nigga.
what
Call
do you
him.
mean no?
Call him. What's up? Call him.
That
Call
will
him.
kill you
Call
tonight.
him.
He's not gonna. Dude, he's
Call
gonna
him.
relax.
What you gonna do? Call him.
You got my bracelet?
Take me to jail, bitch ass nigga.
The
Call
thing's
him.
I'm not afraid to take you to jail. I'll
No,
take you
do
to
it,
jail.
you pussy fuck. Call him. What did I do? Call him. Call him.
So what's your plan?
She don't got a plan, you bitch ass nigga. Call him. Call him.
Go inside.
Call him, bitch. Call him.
Dude?
No,
he
he didn't
just
throw that
kicked
at
it.
you.
Call him.
Dude, why don't you just go inside and close
Why
the
you
door?
fuck off? Why you
Okay?
fuck yourself? Why you fuck yourself?
You know, we're really trying hard to keep you
trying
out of
hard to
jail.
keep you out of
We
jail.
are trying so hard.
Knock the bitch
Okay?
ass glass off your fucking face, idiot. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Are you
bro?
guys leaving?
Yeah.
What you can do
Come
about
on,
it?
just
Go.
I'll just
Go
get in the
with
car
her.
and leave right now.
Go.
come on.
Go. This is not a good.
hurry
This is
up,
not
Take your
a.
fucking paper. Take your fucking get the fuck out
This
of
is
here, bro.
this is not a
Girl,
good.
he's
Hey,
clearly
here,
kicking you
here,
out the
take
house.
this with you. Take that shit with you. Take that with you. Get the fuck out of here, bro. You heard me?
Go.
Pussy nigga.
Just go.
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 He don't want you here.
No,
he's
she
showing
doesn't.
you in his face.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get my shirt.
No, don't go
No,
back in.
no, I'll
No.
give it another
Take
day.
it.
Don't go
I'll
back
give
in.
it another day.
I
What
have
are you
all
gonna
the
do?
stuff in there.
Take
Okay.
it. Take it.
I know. Give
Here,
it. I'll
you want
come
it?
back.
Hey, pick it up. Pick it up. Here. Here. Pick it up. You got it.
Here,
Take it.
Get back inside.
Go and stay inside. If you come back out one more time, you're gonna be under arrest.
All right, bitch
I'm not
ass.
playing
Go.
games anymore.
We're done.
Go inside.
Go.
What you gonna do?
Go
Inside.
Do it.
I'm gonna tell you.
Close
if
the
you
door.
step back outside, you're going in handcuffs. I'm telling you that right now.
What you gonna do?
Go ahead and step on this sidewalk. You want to try me?
I'm not
You're
stepping.
going in.
Step it. Step it. Bitch ass nigga. What you gonna do?
Yeah.
Step it.
If I see you out here, you're going in handcuffs.
Step it.
Try me. Try me, dude.
Step it. This is my crib, bro.
Yeah, stay in your
I'll take your
crib.
bitch ass to court, bro. I'll take your.
I'll go to court.
All right, bitch.
We go to court all the
You're gonna
time.
be going to jail.
Oh,
Close the
oh,
door.
you're a pussy, bro.
Close the door.
Hey, don't touch my door.
Close the door.
Faggot. Get the
Close
fuck out
the
of here.
door.
Get the fuck out of here, faggot. Don't touch my door.
Okay, you need to go.
We
Seriously.
get this moving.
This
so
guy
we
does
can-
not want you
Hey,
here.
you want me to fuck?
Yes.
You want to knock this bitch ass glass off your face, you idiot?
No, Chris.
What's
That's
up?
it.
Stop.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Bro, you should have been less. It's your fucking fault.
God damn it, bro.
Talked yourself right into it.
Yeah, I guess so.
Hey, are you serious?
Wouldn't fucking listen.
Yeah, I guess so.
Can we go in there and grab our stuff? You're drunk and I'm
Yes,
gonna call
you might want to let them in.
I'm calling your mom right now, bro.
Wait, we got one thing. No, don't talk to me. I don't give a shit. You want to keep talking that shit, this is what you get. I give you every chance. You want to keep talking shit. What's you doing, bro? What are you showing me? What are you showing me like that?
Hey, why is this guy shoving me like that? You see this? Why is he doing that? What's up? Come on, bro. What are you doing? I'm like 19.
Any weapons on you? Nothing to poke me or stick me?
Not sure. Not sure. Hey, can I ask you something?
What?
Have
a seat.
I'll pick up your home. Sorry.
Mr. Christopher Vogel was arrested and charged with 2 counts of assault and 1 count of disorderly conduct. He eventually pled guilty to the disorderly conduct charge, was given 3 days in jail, with credit for 3 days of time served.
If she leaves.